Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. To all my new subscribers, I want to welcome you guys to my channel, and all the old subscribers, welcome back. These are the ingredients for the baked custard. We have eggs, nutmeg, lemon zest, we have condensed milk, preserved cherry, mixed essence, evaporated milk, and the custard powder. This is the finished product of the baked custard. Guys, this was so creamy and delicious. To all the mothers out there, happy belated Mother's Day. And guys, please do have a safe and blessed day.